everybody, my name is Karen and I am the counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on what can you do with a major in business management and marketing. Now this workshop is for students who are interested in pursuing a business major. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with the types of majors that you can do that are related to business. You can go into accounting, business management, economics, finance, healthcare administration, human resources management, marketing, MBA, which is the Masters of Business Administration, Public Administration, and Real Estate. Of course, these are just some examples of majors that you can go into within the business industry. And finally, students choose to study business because it gives them a broad skill set that they can use to succeed in a variety of different jobs. As I mentioned before, majoring in business gives you a broad skill set and it's a broad major and where you can go into a variety of industries. Why study business? Part 2. You should consider studying business if, first, you thrive in fast-paced environments. Of course, as you may know already, a lot of businesses work in fast-paced environments as well. You have an entrepreneurial spirit. If you don't know what an entrepreneur is, it is someone who wants to start their own business. So if you are someone who wants to start their own business, then this is a major for you. You're good with money. That goes for people who would like to major in something such as accounting or finance. You like anticipating and solving problems. Of course, problem solving is going to be a skill that you'll be able to learn as a business major. You want to work in human resources. That goes for someone who wants to major in something such as human resources management. You're planning to take over the family business. If your family owns a business, of course, then you might want to consider pursuing a business major to be able to succeed in your family business. And you think you'd be good at making commercials. This goes for someone who wants to major in something such as marketing in order to promote some products. What can you do with a business degree? Business majors work in nearly every industry and sector. That is because business is such a broad major, you can work in nearly every industry. Become an entrepreneur or start your own company. A lot of students who decide to major in business often want to start their own company or have the dream of starting their own company. So if this is something that you are interested in, then of course, majoring in something such as business is a major for you. And finally, here is a list of some jobs that are currently in the biggest demand for business-related careers. We have accountants, auditors, and market research analysts. Alright, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I'd like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app on the App Store or Google Play. If you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We'll also very much appreciate if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this workshop or if you'd like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of your questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.